Hello everyone, welcome to Knowledge Transfer Desk. In today's video we are going to create a Python server within 1 minute. Okay, so first question is, can we create a Python server within 1 minute? The answer is yes. Today we are going to create a Python server within 1 minute using a Python framework called Flask. For that, let's find the Flask documentation. To find a Flask documentation, we can just search pflask. Okay, so at the top we can get documentation of Flask. First thing that we must do is install our Flask. Okay, to install our Flask, first we will activate a virtual environment. Okay, here are few commands that will need to create a virtual environment and to activate the virtual environment. Why do we need a virtual environment? We can discuss further about this thing in next video. Okay, I'll be creating a separate video to explain what is virtual environment, why we need virtual environment, and how can we install different packages using virtual environment. We'll create a file called app.py. Okay, and we'll go to Flask documentation and we'll install Flask using a pip. Okay, pip is a package manager for Python, and we are installing this package in our virtual environment whose name is myenv. Okay, so once you activate a virtual environment, you can see myenv just in front of your computer name. Okay, so we'll install this package. So okay, the package is installed. Now next thing is we'll grab some items directly from the documentation. Okay, so we'll just paste it here. We have already installed Flask, so we can import Flask. After that, we have created a route. So this is a home route. So whenever we hit a home route, it will return hello world. Okay, so let's save this one, and to run this server we'll use Flask run command. Flask run. Once we run the Flask run command, we can see the server is running at port 5000, and this is our home route. If we open it, then we can see it is providing hello world as the response. Now let's go back and let's add more content in here. Hi, hello world, this is Flask application. This application is created within a minute. Okay, let's save this. Let's rerun our server. Let's move back. Okay, we can see the changes. We can also return the same thing in the form of JSON. Okay, so okay, let's save this. Let's rerun the Flask application. Okay, in this form. Okay, the output is in JSON form. All right, in this way we can set up a Flask server, or we can say Python server, within a minute.